All right, so we just recently picked up one of these electric cleaning brushes. It's on like an arm that extends out. Mainly because my wife was saying she was having trouble cleaning the shower. Have you ever tried to clean the shower, like one of these that you step into, and it just, like, you lean way over, and it can be hard on your back. So we had seen one of these online and thought, hey, let's give this a shot. This doesn't look too bad. So I kind of want to check it out. It's got different brushes on the back. It's got a large brush, a small brush, pointed brush, cloth brush, wool brush, sponge brush, fiber sponge, and a big cloth. So yeah, let's check it out. I have to sit you down to get this open, all right? Opening the box up. Right away I can see this is going to be the brush handle where all of the mechanisms hook up to it. I gotta open this bag. Okay, there's your little handle. You can see that it screws in on one side for the long reach, and then this is obviously the power. Ooh, it's already got power. How about that? Yeah, okay, what else we got in here? Oh, look, there's everything else. You just take this whole plastic thing out. We got the handle. Kind of looks like a broom handle with the way it's got this little screw-in piece on the sides. Got a brush. It's kind of bristly, but not terrible. Not like rough on your skin. I don't know what that is. Probably something to mount it with, or I don't know, something shiny. This appears to be like a Velcro-y piece, I guess, that fits on your different brush heads to get it to stick, maybe, possibly. Let's see. You got, this is like your, what do you call that? Not a scrub brush, but it is a scrub brush. But it's called something. I don't know. You guys know what it means. This is like a powder puff. This is like a brush for polishing. That's like for wax. This looks like a handle thing for the wall. Excuse me. Plug in to charge it with, and there's your charger. Here's a brush that is stiff, and here's a brush that's pointy. Okay, the wire was a USB-C. It was just, you lift up the little rubber thing on here, it plugs right in, and this thing is charging. So we'll let that charge. All right, the head just pushes on the end there. It's got a certain pattern it goes into, and it just pushes on. Cool. That's neat. I did figure out the handle. The handle is pretty easy to figure out. Just one side slides into another, and then this part screws into there. And you got a full handle to work with. Pretty nifty. Cool deal. It comes mostly charged. I'm going to plug it in and charge it all the way before we use it. But I just wanted to show you guys how it works. That'll work pretty good rotating on that wall with some cleaner. All right, we're going to give it a shot with this Scotch-Brite end on it. I just used that plastic thing to grip onto it. Let's see what it does. I'm pushing down on it a little bit too. This may be my new favorite thing to use on the stovetop. This glass top is always hard to clean because we're always trying to put muscle to it or bear down of some kind. So we've cleaned it. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a little wet right now, but yeah, I like it. All right, what do you think? I think that looks pretty good. I think that works pretty darn good. I think I'm gonna like that. Yeah.